Finding the right cloth diaper cover can feel overwhelming, especially when you want something that's comfortable and leak-proof for your little one. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Gerber Birdseye Profold. First up is the Gerber Unisex Baby Boys Girls Birdseye Profold Cloth Diapers. Priced at just $15.95 for a 10-pack, these caught my eye with their classic design and promise of comfort. If you want a reliable and soft diaper that won't irritate your baby's skin, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These are made from 100% cotton, which means they're not just comfortable but also free from any harsh chemicals or dyes that could upset sensitive skin. The 3-ply center panel is designed to be extra absorbent, keeping your baby dry and happy, while the lightweight birdseye weave fabric ensures breathability. With over 3,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that parents are loving these. Now some people complained about the thickness of the diapers, thinking they might be bulky. Here's the thing though, while they are a bit thicker than some modern options, that extra padding provides peace of mind for leak protection, especially for overnight use. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort and reliability in your baby's diapering needs. Skip this one if you're looking for a super slim design, but for the price, you really can't go wrong here. Product number 2, Consi Muslin Changing Pad Cover. Next, let's check out the Consi Muslin Changing Pad Cover. At $18.99 for a pack of 2, these covers not only look cute with their floral designs, but they also offer a soft and breathable surface for your baby's diaper changes. This is a fantastic choice if you want style combined with functionality. What makes this product stand out is its 100% muslin fabric. It's soft against your baby's sensitive skin and gets even softer with every wash. The fully encased 360-degree elastic ensures a snug fit, so you won't have to deal with shifting covers during those busy diaper changes. Plus, it's machine washable, making it easy to clean up after inevitable messes. However, I did notice some feedback about the fit being a bit loose on certain changing pads. While this could be a deal breaker for some, I'd argue that as long as you stick to standard dimensions, this shouldn't be an issue, and the softness is truly worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and practical changing pad cover. Skip this one if you have an oddly sized changing pad, but for most standard sizes, it's a solid pick. Product number 3, Gerber Waterproof Diaper Cover. Third on our list is the Gerber Unisex Baby Toddler 8-pack Waterproof Diaper Cover, priced at $16.90. I was impressed by the versatility of this product, which works well as a protector over cloth diapers or for potty training. If you want a reliable cover that can grow with your little one, this is worth a serious look. The gentle elastic waistband makes them super comfortable for toddlers, allowing easy pull-up and down during potty training. These are machine washable and reusable, making them an eco-friendly choice. Over 600 units sold recently show that parents appreciate these features. Some users mentioned that the material can feel a bit crinkly. However, I think the waterproof feature outweighs that minor inconvenience, especially when it comes to keeping messes contained. This is perfect for you if your child is transitioning from diapers to potty training or needs extra protection over cloth diapers. Skip this one if your child is already fully potty trained, but for those still in diapers, it's a great investment. Product number 4, Mama Koala Pocket Diapers. Now let's talk about the Mama Koala 3-pocket cloth diapers. Priced at $29.99 for a 6-pack, these are designed for both comfort and performance. If you're looking for a high-quality adjustable diaper that grows with your child, you should definitely consider these. These diapers have a snug fit thanks to their crossover snaps, which help avoid wing droop. They're adjustable, fitting babies from 8 to 40 pounds, so you won't need to keep buying new sizes. Plus, the included 6-4-layer natural cloth inserts mean you can have blowout-free days and leak-free nights. The athletic wicking jersey interior keeps baby dry, and the durable stitching ensures they hold up through repeated washes. One downside is that some parents find the stuffing process a bit cumbersome. But honestly, I didn't find it to be a deal breaker. A little extra effort for a leak-proof night's sleep is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a long-lasting, adjustable cloth diaper. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional diapering style, but for flexibility and comfort, it's a winner. Product number 5, Honest Hybrid Cloth Diaper Covers. Lastly, we have the Honest Hybrid Cloth Diaper Covers priced at $17.99 for a pack of 3. These are designed for parents who want the best of both worlds, the option of using disposable or reusable inserts. If you're looking for a versatile solution that can handle nighttime leaks, this is worth a serious look. What's great about these covers is the 2 water-resistant layers and elasticized barriers, which provide excellent leak protection. The easy-tab hook and loop fasteners allow for a secure fit without the hassle of snaps, making them super convenient for quick changes. They also come in various sizes to fit your growing toddler. Although it's worth noting that using other brand inserts can affect the leakage performance, so stick with the recommended ones for best results. Some parents have mentioned that the fit can feel a bit bulky compared to other options, but I think the peace of mind knowing your child will stay dry at night outweighs that concern. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible diapering solution that can adapt to your lifestyle. Skip this one if you prefer to stick with only one type of insert, but for those who like options, this is an excellent choice. So to wrap it all up, we had the Gerber Birdsite Profold, the Consi Muslin Changing Pad Cover, the Gerber Waterproof Diaper Cover, the Mama Koala Pocket Diapers, and the Honest Hybrid Cloth Diaper Covers. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Mama Koala because it offers the best balance of comfort, adjustability, and performance. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Consi if you're dealing with a non-standard changing pad size, as it might not fit securely. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.